Alright guys, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Alright guys, so quickly today I'm going to address a challenge as fashion designers. We are going to learn how to use the Pinterest app. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Pinterest app to download our videos and also to download our images, because people are complaining. Yeah, I've seen the complaint, I've heard the complaint, I've seen the comments that when they download videos from Pinterest, they don't see those videos on their phones, even pictures. So today I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. All right, so that I will show you how to download images and videos from Pinterest, guys. So if this content is interesting to you, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share the video, let it go viral. All right, and also guys, this channel here is my new channel. Okay, please subscribe to that channel. Please subscribe, help it grow. Just subscribe. Okay, I'm teaching how to grow a YouTube channel on that channel, how you can start and grow your channel. All right, so please subscribe to that channel, let it grow, please. All right, so let's move on. Now I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so that you will see everything as I'm doing it from the beginning to the end. All right. So now for you to be able to download videos from Pinterest and images, first I'm going to start with images, then I'll go into videos, guys. Now first, let's go into my phone. All right, so you need to first of all have the Pinterest app on your phone. That's number one. If you don't have the Pinterest app on your phone, go to Google Play Store. All right, Google Play Store, and download the Pinterest app. This is Google Play Store. Look at Google Play Store. If I open it, I'll see if I type Pinterest. Okay, let's say Pinterest. I'll click on it. You can see the Pinterest app appearing here, right? So if you don't have it, please download it. That's number one. So after you download and you have the Pinterest app on your phone, all right? Now let's go down and open our Pinterest app. All right. Now this is my Pinterest app. I've opened my Pinterest app. Okay. Now you can see this is my Pinterest app. Here it's showing makeup images. It's showing makeup images and other things. Now, for example, let's say I want to download baby gowns. Okay, so I'll just come here and search baby gowns, baby gowns. All right, so it's showing me options. I just click on this baby gown option, and so let's see what comes out. Okay, you can see baby gowns. Okay, let me click on this one to open it, this green one. All right, so when I open this green baby gown, how am I going to download it? If you look up here, the top right corner, there are three dots there. All right, so I'm going to click on these three dots. Then you see there's a drop down menu showing follow, share, copy link, download image. All right, so I just click on download image. All right, so let's wait. So you can see the image have been downloaded. You can see image downloaded. All right, so that image has been downloaded into my phone. All right, so if I want to see this image now, where can I find this image in my phone? Let's go down to the phone. Let's minimize and go down to our gallery. So this is my gallery. I'll click on my gallery here. Open my gallery. All right, so when I open gallery, it means come with the way it is. Okay, so this is how my gallery will open. Okay, let me open gallery. So if I open my gallery, this is how my gallery has opened. Okay, so how will I locate that Pinterest image I downloaded? I'll come to where there is album here. For my phone, I'll come to where there's album here. All right, so you check where there are albums on your phone. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. You can see others. Where you see others here, the image is already showing there because it's a recent image. I'll click on others here. So when I open others, I'll scroll down. Look at Pinterest here. It has created a folder and named the Pinterest. I'll click on it. You can see this is the baby gown I just downloaded. So that is the simplest way you can do that. Download there on that download button and everything comes to your phone. So without wasting time, let's quickly head over to how to download videos, which is what many people struggle with. Guys, at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. And also please subscribe to my two channels. All right, thank you. Right, so let's head over. Let's go over now to how to download the videos. Okay, so now let's still go back to our Pinterest app. Okay, so let's say we have seen, let me check the one that's a video. Okay, let's say this one here is a video. All right, it's a video. Now how can we download this video that is playing here into our phone? All right, the one is called Pinterest downloader. Okay, so first of all, you go to Google Play Store. You have to have this. Look at this Pinterest downloader here. Look at it here. It's a Pinterest downloader. So if you go to Google Play Store, let me go there. Google Play Store, you type Pinterest downloader. Look at here, because I typed before. Look at Pinterest video downloader. I'll click on it. All right, so you can see this one here. This one showing Pinterest video downloader. Okay, I don't want to open it. This is it. So you click on it. I've already downloaded it. So click on it and download. So once you download and it's inside your phone now, you go back to Pinterest. So this video that is playing here, all right, you want to download this video to your phone. You simply come to these three dots here, these three dots at the upper right corner here. Click on these three dots. You see there's a drop down menu showing follow the dress kingdom, visit site, copy link. Click on copy link. All right. So after you have copied your link, guys, you will now go back to the Pinterest downloader you have downloaded into your phone. All right. It's very simple and it's straightforward. All right. So now let's go to my phone and check the Pinterest downloader. So if you come here, look at after Pixel Lab, you have Pinterest downloader. All right. So I'm going to click on this Pinterest downloader. Guys, no matter any video at all you want to download from Pinterest, this app will give you the best. And once it's done, you need to understand something. Like the images we downloaded, they went and created a folder in your gallery as pins. So any image you download from Pinterest, just go to your gallery, search for a folder that is written pins. In fact, before you see the name of the folder, you see the image, the recent image you downloaded. So even this video, as we are downloading, it is saving in your gallery, and it will save as Pinterest download, another Pinterest download. So now when you open this downloader, you come here, look at it, it's already showing paste link here. All right, so I'll click on paste link. The link has pasted. Once you open the app, the link will automatically come and and be waiting for you here. So just click on paste link. All right. The next thing, look at search by the side. Click on search. If you don't want, you can still click on this search window here and paste the link. All right. So click on search. When you click on search, it will now search all these adverts. We don't need them, please. Don't need these adverts. All right. So look at the link has been pressed there. So when you click on search, it will now bring the video. You can see it has brought the video. And you can see download video showing here in a blue background. So I'll click on download video. All right. And the video is downloading. You can see in a few seconds, it has shown that the video has been downloading. As simple as that, the video has been downloaded. All right. So now let's go back to our gallery. Let's minimize and go back to our gallery and check the video there. So come back to gallery here. Let's go back. This is the home page. All right. So now if you check orders, okay, down, look at pin download, pin down, which means pin download. Click on it. You can see the video here in your phone, guys. Play it. Can you see this? So guys, it's as simple as this. If this content makes sense, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, and subscribe, guys. So thank you so much. I think that's all for today. Till next time, I'm gonna bring amazing content your way. All right. Thank you so much. Welcome to Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Please subscribe. Thank you.